Hey everybody, Mike here with Delta Faucet. Today, I'm gonna show you how to operate the Delta SteamScape Classic control. All right, first things first, how to turn on your steam system. So to do this, I'm gonna hit either the number 1 or the number 2 on my control panel. And what these are presets that allow me to store 2 separate target temperatures for the operation of the steam system itself. I'm gonna hit the number 1, and you'll see I have a current target temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, there's a little icon on the right-hand side that shows me that the system is currently calling for steam. You'll also notice that after a second or two, it flips back to show me what the current temperature is within the enclosure. Now, if I want to adjust that target temperature I'm going for, I just have to hit the up or down arrows and I can adjust that target temperature. Now, one thing to note here is whatever target temperature I've set for that preset will be stored for the next time I come back to use the steam system. Also important is that each steam cycle runs on a timer. So if I want to see how much time is remaining, I have to hit the button on the left-hand side with the 3 lines. You'll see I currently have 20 minutes remaining in my steam cycle. Now, if I want to adjust that default timer, I can do that by hitting the X to turn the system off, and then enter the settings menu by hitting the button with the 3 lines on the far left. Here you can see what the default timer is set to. I can use the up or down arrows to set a new default timer. Now, the last setting I want to show you is how to change the units of measurement. If you hit that same button again, you'll see currently I have an F displayed for Fahrenheit. If I want to change it to Celsius, I can hit the up or down arrow to change it to a C, which then the temperature will be displayed in Celsius. For me, I'm going to switch back to Fahrenheit and then hit the button with the 3 lines to close my settings and turn off the system. So just to recap real quick, you can hit the number 1, shows my target temperature, hit the 3 lines, will show how much time's remaining in my cycle, and then for any reason, if I want to shut the cycle off early, all I have to do is hit the X on the right side and it'll shut down the entire system. And that about wraps it up. So if you have any additional questions about the functionality of your classic steam system, be sure to reach out to the Delta Faucet customer service team. They're more than happy to help.